How the weather today in Philippines, teacher?
Okay, the weather is gloomy.
Oh, in Vietnam,
Okay, it's raining.
yes. In Vietnam, at 3 p.m. is raining very,
Okay,
very big.
okay, yes. Okay, wait me ha. Take the pause. Okay. Okay, so Tono, our topic for today is about this, about job. Okay, so
Okay.
what is this job? Okay,
Okay.
okay, so we have here the vocabulary about job. We have different college student. Okay, college students. Okay, so we have here college student.
Mm,
Okay, college students. So we have here.
okay.
Okay, and designer. Do you know designer?
Yes.
Okay, the one who do designs. How about computer engineer?
Computer continue. I think in my town is has a computer engineer.
Okay, software. Software.
Yes.
Okay, do you know software?
Yes.
Flight attendant. Do you know flight attendant?
Yes. When I go by plane, I think flight attendant is very cool and kind. They have fun. They have customer.
Okay. Next is mechanic
Mm.
and hairdresser. Hairdresser. Do you know hairdresser? The one who does
Yes.
who cut hair, who do style, color, straight, hairdresser. Architect din. Oh, wait a minute. Okay. How about architect?
I think is a CD. They have the architect. I think so.
Okay, it's architect. Okay. Now, so what do you, this one, Tono. Okay, this one is not for you because you are still a student. Okay. So what do you do? You are a student. Okay. And what is the job of the student? I will ask you, what is the job of the student?
Uh, the job of the student is study place, and we need to study well, have the filter.
Okay. Okay, the study of the student is to go to school to study, right? You have to go to
Yes.
school to study. That's your job. Okay, do you like to study or no?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
so what will be your grade, your class next year? You will be class? What class?
In class, in Recife, I have a new school. I don't know, but in grade 5, I study 5-1.
Okay. Okay. And of course, you will be class 6. Same with me. Class 6.
No,
Class 5 ba?
me is 5-5 and I is 5-1.
5-1. There is a, sorry, Tono, I don't understand. There is class 5-1, class 5 like that.
Yes.
What do you mean by class 5-1?
Uh, class 5-1 is fun, but the study don't study very well, and I think we need to study more. And five
Okay.
five has many. I think the studying in me class uh dance dance very good and good at English.
Okay, good at English. Okay. So wait, I wonder. Wait me. Okay, I will chat here. Can you please type your answer? Class class 5.1. What is this? Please answer me in the chat box.
Yes, is in Vietnam we some inter-ish uh they their use is 5A 5B, but in some central and south we use the number, not the letter.
Example 5, class 5.1 is 5.1. You know already speak English.
Yes.
How about you? What class are you?
I 5-1.
Wow, very good. You're 5.1. Okay, are you the same with me? The same with me?
No, she is 5-5.
5.5?
Yes.
What is 5.5?
This.
You type. Ah, 5.5. So what do you mean by 5.5?
I think the student in 5-5 is good at English and dance very well.
Okay, dance very well. Okay. Ah, you dance very well?
Me don't like the sport and dancing.
But she dance, she's 5.5.
Yes. She like dancing, but she dance not very well.
Okay. Okay, so now, Tono, let us read this one. Let us have to do conversation between Anne, Julia, and Tom. They're talking about job. Okay, wait me, huh? Okay,
Okay.
wait me. I will just go to the bathroom. Ah, 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 ah. Ay, oh, okay, so here. So I will do first and you and me and you, okay? Ready? Okay, so let us read properly, Tono, okay? Tono, by the way, Teacher Anne is very happy because you speak now and I can see you better. Very good, okay? Hi, I'm Anne. I'm a student and I am a video designer. What do you do? Yesterday, I went to the party. I met some new friends there.
Hi, how are you? I'm Annie.
Nice to meet you. I'm Julia.
Good to meet you. I'm Tom.
Are you a college student?
Yes, I am. I'm go to the city university. I and what do you do?
I work for a software company. I am a computer engineer.
That's great. And what do you do for the living, Tom?
I'm a teacher.
That's nice. Where do you work?
I work at the city high school. Okay, yes. Now, let us read this one. Let us listen another video, okay, and answer this. Please try to listen the video for your listening, me, Tono. I can see that your speaking is quite clear now. It's clear.
Oh,
Okay. I am so happy it becomes clear now because we speak a lot. Very good, Tono. Very good. Okay. So please
okay.
listen and answer.
Hi, I'm Anne. I am a student and I am a video designer. What do you do? Listen to this story about meeting new friends and learn how to talk about your occupation in American English. Yesterday I went to a party. I met some new friends there. Hi, how are you? I'm Anne.
Nice to meet you. I'm Julia.
Good to meet you. I'm Tom.
Are you a college student?
Yes, I am. I go to City University. And what do you do?
I work for a software company. I am a computer engineer.
That's great. And what do you do for a living, Tom?
I'm a teacher.
That's nice. Where do you work?
I work at the city high school.
Okay, teacher.
Okay. Okay. So you want to listen again?
No.
Okay. So please answer. What does Anne do?
Anne is a computer engineer.
Hey. So Anne is a videographer. Okay. Did you hear that? Anne is a okay. Please listen one more, ha? Just one more.
Hi, I'm Anne. I am a student and I am a video designer. What do
Videos.
you do? Listen to this story about meeting new friends and learn how to talk about your occupation in American English. Yesterday I went to a party. I met some new friends there. Hi, how are you? I'm Anne.
Nice to meet you. I'm Julia.
Good to meet you. I'm Tom.
Are you a college student?
Yes, I am. I go to City University. And what do you do?
I work for a software company. I am a computer engineer.
That's great. And what do you do for a living, Tom?
I'm a teacher.
That's nice. Where do you work?
I work at the city high school.
Okay. So where did Anne meet Julia and Tom? Not open na. Oh, you take a rest and take a snacks. Okay. So where did Anne meet Julia and Tom?
It is in the party yesterday.
Yes, in the party yesterday. Very good. Who is the college student?
It's Annie.
It's Anne. Okay. Does Julia work for a high school?
Yes.
Oh, are you sure? Does Julia work for high school?
Oh
Or in the
no.
school? No. Who works in the school?
Is Tom.
Tom. Okay. What does Tom do for a living if he works in the school?
He is the teacher.
He is a teacher. Very good. So it means you listen well. Great job, Julia. Julia. So, Tono, I have a student named Julia. Okay. People are talking about their jobs in here. Oh, let us listen. What are their jobs? Okay. And please number.
He
Okay, wait me, ha.
Unit 9.
Okay, please
Work
listen
and
carefully.
jobs. Page
Okay.
34. 2.
Mm.
Let's listen. People are talking about their jobs. Listen and number the pictures. 1.
So you're a teacher, is that right?
Yep.
Do you enjoy teaching?
Yes, I do. The vacations are great, but I've got a really difficult class this year. I try everything, but they just don't want to learn anything. Maybe it's the way I teach.
2.
So how long have you been a flight attendant?
For nearly 10 years.
Do you like flying?
Actually, I do. I love it. And I meet lots of interesting passengers. The only thing I don't like is staying in hotels all the time. I miss home cooking.
3.
So, you're an architect. That must be interesting.
Yes, it is. Right now we're in the middle of a big project. We're designing a new hotel.
Uh-huh.
The only trouble is the woman I work with and I have completely different ideas of what it should look like.
Is that going to be a problem?
I hope not. You see, I'm her boss.
4.
So, you work in an auto shop?
That's right. Bob's Auto on 4th Street. Do you know it?
Yeah, I think so. Do you enjoy working on cars?
Yeah, I really do. I love anything mechanical. The only trouble is the shop's about an hour from my house.
An hour? So what do? Drive?
Sometimes I take the bus. The commute's the worst part. But the money's good. It kind of makes up for it.
5.
Where do you work, Cindy?
In a bookstore.
Oh, do you like it there?
Well, the money isn't bad.
Uh-huh.
But the boss is a bit strange. Not at all friendly. And he's got a terrible temper.
Oh.
6.
So what do you do, Tony?
I'm a hairdresser.
Oh, what's it like?
Well, I love my customers. Some of them are so friendly, but it's tiring work. I work long hours and I'm on my feet all day.
Yeah, that must be tiring.
I finished, teacher.
Okay, please number now.
Okay.
Yeah, please write the number there. Number half from each picture. You write the number.
I finished, teacher.
Okay, so number 1. Okay, very good. What is the work for person number 1? What is the work for person number 1?
He is a teacher.
Okay. So what is the work for person number 2 or this number 2?
Is I don't remember.
Person number 2 is the one who works in the plane. The girl in the plane. What's the name of the girl in the plane? It is?
I don't remember.
Okay, she is a flight attendant. If you work in the plane, you're a flight attendant. Number 3, what is the work for number 3?
Is architect.
Architect. Okay, number 4, what is the work in number 4?
Is engineer.
It's engineer. Okay. Next, number 5. What is the work for number 5? Oh, number 4, this is, wait, no. Number 4 is mechanic. The one who repair car. Can you see? He is repairing a car. Okay, number 5, what is the work?
Designer.
A designer, or maybe a shop attendant, the one who sell books. How about number 6? Okay, look at number 6.
6 is her hairdressers.
Hairdresser, the one who designed the hair. Okay. Now, our teacher will ask questions and please answer. What does he do and where does he work?
He is a doctor and he works in the hospital.
Okay, he works in the hospital. Very good. How about this? Okay, what is her job and where does she work?
She is a teacher and I think she works in a primary school.
In the primary school. Because look at that little children.
Yes.
Okay. What do they do for a living? What do they do for a living?
They are farmers.
Okay, they are
farmers.
Farmers. Okay, how about in Vietnam? So, where can you see farmers?
In Vietnam, the farmer need to get up very early to go to the field to work, and I think in the countryside has beautiful and peaceful.
Okay. So in my country, farmers are the one who work in the field. They are the one who supply rice to the people. The same in Vietnam.
Yeah, it's same.
Okay. So what are their occupation? Look at them. What do you think are their occupations?
And they singing and they had a music show.
Okay. So they are in the band. They are singers, right? They are singers. Okay. What is his job and where does he work? What is his job and where does he work? Okay.
He is football and he work at a stadium.
Okay. To be a
Stadium.
okay. So he is a footballer. Do you know him?
I don't know.
Okay, I don't know too. Maybe he is a Vietnamese. I'm not familiar with football. But of course, he is a footballer. Okay, so maybe he is famous, right? Right, no? This one.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, I think so. Correct. Okay. What do they do and where are they working? What do you think they're doing and where do you think they're working?
They is engineer or the worker and they working I think is everywhere.
Okay, they're working everywhere. Okay. So this is an engineer. Okay, so in this one, they work outside. So maybe they're working with this what they call that one? The windmill. They're working with the windmill. Maybe they are energy. They're talking about energy, how to conserve energy. So they are engineering. Okay. So do you think being an engineer is an easy job?
Yes.
Okay. Being an engineer is not an easy job. It's really a very tiring job. Okay. It's a tiring job. Okay. Being engineer is a tiring job.
Yes.
So being an architect and engineer, they're just pairing with each other. So when you come to be an architect, it's just like you are the same with an engineer. So you are with each other. Okay, so you try. But engineer has different field, like engineer in the computer, engineer about the chemical, engineer about building, engineer about the land survey, engineer about software. So many engineer. Architect is only one. It's only architect. Okay, so that's it. Okay, now, so here we have this one. Okay, I will choose you. What is your favorite job in here? What do you think, Tono, is your favorite job?
I think my favorite job is a teacher because I think I can say and teach the people many things and interesting.
Teacher is an interesting job.
Yes.
Okay, it is actually an interesting job. But you know, the teaching profession is not an easy job. Tono, do you know that? A teacher is not an easy job. Being a teacher is not an easy job. You have to remember that one. It's not easy to be a teacher because you need to have patience to your students. You need to have perseverance for you to teach your students because sometimes, Tuno, students are not always like you. There are students, Tono, that don't listen. Oh, they will not listen to the teacher. They keep on laughing. They keep on roaming around. Okay, they don't literally listen to the teachers. So that's why teaching is a very, very hard profession. Okay, do you want to be a teacher? You like, oh, you know what? Me also, you are really friend with me because me also wants to become a teacher. She told me, Teacher Anne, I want to become an English teacher in the future. Oh my God, do you know me? It's not easy to be a teacher.
Yes.
Oh, what do you think is the easy job for you?
Easy job. I think I can let me see.
Okay, go. What do you think is an easy job for you?
I don't know. I think the teacher is it for me and I think it's easy for me.
Oh, that's easy for you. That's why you want to be a teacher. Because you think teacher is easy job. But being a teacher is not an easy job. Especially, Tono, if you are in the classroom, inside the classroom, and the students are shouting. Oh, it's very hard. How can you tell the students to stop? Okay, very hard. Okay, how about policeman? Do you think being policeman is an easy job?
I think it's yes.
Okay, I think it's yes, teacher. Okay, policeman is maybe an easy job, but again, it's not easy to be policeman. You have to run after the criminals. There are many criminals. Okay, so the work of your dad is business, right? You have business?
I think it's no.
Oh, what is that? Sorry. I think your dad has a business. Your dad works in the office.
My dad not work on office. She his um uh, um he he I think I don't know the job he say in English, but
Okay.
my mom is accountant in the restaurant.
Accountant. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so it's not easy job to be accountant. Sometimes when your mom go home, she felt very tired, right, Tono? How many sisters do you have or siblings do you have?
Mm, I don't know.
How many brothers and sisters do you have?
A sister, I have a younger sister.
Younger. How old is your
Yeah.
younger sister?
She is 7 years old.
Okay, 7 years old. And you are only two in the family? Two siblings?
Yes.
You have elder sister or no?
No.
Okay. So only you and your sister, the 7 years old. Very young to, no? Okay, so these are the things to know that people don't like in the job. Okay, they don't like if they are exhausted. Exhausted, very tired. When you go home, oh, I don't want to work again. Dead tired. When you say all day long, it means during the entire day, very intense. You work hard. You work in the office, you work in the school all day long. Okay. Sedentary lifestyle. What do you mean by sedentary lifestyle? This is the lifestyle that no physical activity. You will just in the office, you're typing, you're teaching, so everything is sedentary lifestyle. You have that sedentary lifestyle. Okay? You understand?
Yes.
Okay, so you have that so-called sedentary lifestyle. Your lifestyle is sedentary. Okay, it's hectic. Okay, hectic, it means busy. Okay, you're busy. You have hectic schedule, like you will say, teacher, and I cannot go with you because I have a hectic schedule now. What do you mean by hectic? It means you are very busy. Okay, another thing that people don't like about the job is up to my ears in something. So it means you are busy doing something. Even lunchtime, you do computer. Okay? This is up my ears in something. Even very busy doing something. Okay, you can copy that one, Tono. That's a
Okay.
very nice meaning or vocabulary for disliking the job. You don't like the job.
My dear, you build me up. What a company. Mess me around and they can imitate you, but they can't duplicate you.
And copy done.
Okay, next one. So is there some other kind of work you would rather do other than teaching? So in the future, is there some other kind of work that you would rather do?
I don't know, but I think astronaut is very hard, and I think I think the good job is a flight attendant.
Okay, it is flight attendant. You want to be flight attendant. Okay. So you want to be flight attendant. Okay. Where do you want to see yourself in 10 years? Where do you want to see yourself in 10 years?
I think
Okay,
it's
10 years from now, when you are, you're 12, 22, when you will be 22, what I can see, what can I see to Tono? Is Tono become a teacher, a nurse, or what?
I think on the mobile we can take some photo in the past, and we can So, and we can see midday again. Can sing
Okay.
midday again.
Okay, you will become a teacher, an engineer? What I can see, Tono.
I think is we can remember or see a photo again.
Oh, we can see a photo again. No. What I mean is, where do you want to see yourself in 10 years? Okay, so I think teacher, I will be working in a school. I will become a teacher. I think teacher, I will be in the hospital. I will become a nurse like that. How about you?
I think is in the high school or the big company.
Wow. So you will be working as a teacher or you will be working in the big company. What company, Tono, that you
Mm,
want to work?
I think I can be a accountant or accountant or do something in there.
Okay, you want to be accountant or there is any job that you can find in there in the company. Maybe a manager. We don't know, right? In the future, we don't know that Tono will become manager. Okay. Wow, that's great, Tono. So Tono, I will see you on Friday.
Friday, yes.
Okay, I will see you on Friday, 4 p.m., right?
Yes.
Okay, so sorry because teacher I forgot. Okay, so I will see you on Friday at 4 p.m. And how about weekend? Are you free Saturday and Sunday?
Saturday, let me see.
Saturday at night. Are you free? 7 p.m. Saturday. Is that okay?
7 p.m. I go to the math lesson. Can we have on Sunday morning?
Sunday morning? Yeah. Sunday morning?
About 9 a.m.
Yeah, okay. Sunday, 9 a.m. But I will see you Friday, right? 4 p.m.
Yes.
again. Okay. Thank you so much, Tono. And again, teacher is so happy when we have this kind of class. You speak a lot. Okay? Yay! Very good. I can see your voice now becomes clear. Clear. Teacher can hear and understand you properly. Thank you for that, Tono. Okay, bye-bye. See you on Friday. Don't forget.
Okay.